So Prolights per seat. So nandyan, it's from Abra ba sa inyo? Dol, Kiram Magbuwal. From Abra, Kiram Magbuwal. Bike number 999, and then followed by 827 David Viterbo. And then number 15 it's Ralph Ramento. Number 259 it's McLean Aguilar. So number 175 it's Seeker Ramento. So Prolights. And then number 61 it's JC Reliosa. Number 77 it's Ompong Gabriel. And number 27 it's Dabo. Sila po yung mga tatakbo sa ating Prolights category here in Botolan, Zambales, second leg of Weltec Motocross 2024. And dyan, Ompong Gabriel, number 77. So, Prolights per seat. Ayan na. Whole shot. McLean Aguilar. Wow. Wow, daming Prolights. Yan, McLean Aguilar. Wow. Yun. Ayan. Wow. Simplang. Kiram Magbuwal. Yan. So, McLean, Ompong Gabriel, Jesse Reliosa, David Malgapo, David Viterbo. Yan. So, leading po sa Prolights, it's McLean Aguilar. Followed by Ompong Gabriel. Ayan, no? Ayan. Wow. Ayan, pumasok na po. Wow! Yan, Ralph Ramento. Siki. Jolie Tao. Ayan. So, Joby sa ulog. And then, Kiram Magbuwal. Hoy! Same lang! Ayan. So, leading it's McLean Aguilar. Followed by Ompong Gabriel and then David Malgapo. So, 8 laps po tayo guys. 8 laps. Ayan. Wow. Dabo on third. On fourth it's Jesse Reliosa. Ayan, Ralph Ramento. David Viterbo. It's Seeker Ramento. Wow, Ompong Gabriel. Wow. Yeah, Jolie Tao and Joby Saulog. So, dikit ang bakbakan. Ompong Gabriel versus McLean Aguilar. Ayan, Dabo on third. Viterbo on fourth. And then Jesse Reliosa. Oh, ano nangyari? Ralph Ramento. So, dumidikit si Dabo kay Ompong. Ayan. Ompong Gabriel versus Dabo. 8 laps pa tayo, 8 laps. McLean Aguilar po, leading all the way. Yan, so McLean leading. Ayan, Ompong Gabriel pa rin on second, David Dabo on third, and Viterbo on fourth. Wow, yan. Viterbo na on fourth. Yeah, ay, nakuha na naman. So, ayan, kuha si Ompong Gabriel. Second heads Dabo. Third heads parang si Viterbo na. Oy, agoy, sumemplang. Sino kaya sumemplang? Ayan, nawala si Ompong. So, David Viterbo on second. Viterbo on third. Ayan. So, Ralph Ramento. Ayan. Ayun, sumemplang si Viterbo. Ayan, third na, Ralph Ramento. So, still leading, it's McLean Aguilar. Ayan, on second, it's David Bet. So, Ralph Ramento na on third. On fourth, it's Viterbo. On fifth, it's Ompong Gabriel. And then Jesse Reliosa. Ayun, sumimplang na naman si Viterbo. Yun, no? Wow, short Siki. So, leading pa rin, it's McLean Aguilar. Followed by Dabo, David Malgapo. On third, it's Ralph Ramento. Yan, McLean Aguilar leading all the way. Dabo on second. Oh. Ralph Ramento on third. away na by Maclean Aguilar. Followed by David Malgapo.
Still maintaining on the third position is bike number 15, Love Romango.
Maclean Aguilar, breakaway. From J1 Racing. Followed by from REZ, Dabo. Yan. Ralph Ramento on third. Pro Lights category first seat. Yun o. Ayan, Jesse Ridosa. And then Ompong Gabriel. Sacramento. Maclean Aguilar. Breakaway na by Maclean Aguilar. And then waiting for white flag. Followed by David Malgapo. And then Ralph Ramento. So white flag is up for Maclean Aguilar. White flag.
Moving up on second position is bike number 27. On third is bike number 15, Love Romango.
Last lap for Maclean Aguilar, Malgapo, and then Ralph Ramento. Wow. Ayan. Andyan na Ralph Ramento. Parang didikit kay Malgapo. Ayan, parang napapagod na si Malgapo. Hop, hindi ka na doon. Ralph Ramento. Ayan. Last lap. Maclean Aguilar, breakaway. Followed by David Malgapo. And then Ralph Ramento. Makukuha niya kaya si Malgapo? Yun. Last corner. Ayan. So Maclean on first, second it's Malgapo. On third it's Ralph Ramento. So sino yung fourth natin? I think it's parang si Jesse Reliosa. Ayan. So Kiram Mangkuhal. And then Jolitao. So ito yung fourth natin, Jesse Reliosa. On fifth it's Ompong Gabriel. Ayan. And then followed by Sacramento. Ayan. Last corner.
Fourth position, we have JC Reliosa.
Ayan. Fifth it's Ompong, and sixth it's Sacramento. So thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So thank you.